Hey there, Easy Peasy Art fans. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a delightful drawing project in store, a funny pumpkin cart. It's simple, it's fun, and it's the perfect for our festive creation. So grab your drawing supplies, and let's get started. First things first, let's create the wooden cart. Start by drawing a diagonal shape. This will be the body of our cart. It should look like a sturdy wooden box. Now, at one end of the cart, draw a large circle to represent a wheel. To make sure our cart stands firm and steady, let's add a stand. This will keep our cart from tipping over. Feel free to add some creative details to your cart. Maybe there are some cracks or wood grain texture to make it look more rustic. Now, it's time to give our cart some personality by adding an oversized, jolly pumpkin. Imagine this pumpkin is so big that you can only see its cheerful face stuffed inside the cart. Draw a large, round shape. Let's add a curly stem on top. And some playful swirls to show that it's freshly picked from the pumpkin vine. To make our pumpkin extra funny, let's give it an exaggerated expression. Draw its eyes closed tight because it's laughing so hard. Add one large tooth sticking out from its grin. Our pumpkin is so happy that it wants to give everyone a big, warm embrace. Draw matchstick-like arms on both sides of the pumpkin, followed by little fingers. Make sure the arms are spread out wide, as if the pumpkin is joyfully reaching out to the world. To complete our whimsical scene, let's add some finishing touches. Draw flowing leaves around the cart to give it that autumn charm. Now it's time to make our drawing burst with color and capture the essence of fall. Grab your orange color and start by giving our oversized pumpkin a bright, happy orange hue. Add some deeper orange shades for shading and depth. Let's color our wooden cart with a lovely brown shade that's perfect for fall. Lastly, let's give those leaves a touch of autumn magic by using shades of red. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for more exciting art adventures. Thanks for joining me today, young artists. Keep creating, keep exploring, and always stay inspired.